Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. In this video, I'll tell you how you can send message from background script to content script or whatever tab that's receiving the message. Okay, so first of all, one important thing, you need to find what's the tab ID of the active tab you are currently open in your desktop. So for that there is this code, like without this you can't send the message. For content script you can easily do chrome.runtime.send message, but for background script you need that tab id to send the message to that particular tab or wherever you want to send the message. So chrome.tabs.query active equals to current window true, so it means the current window which is opened right now and that current tab which is active, so active is true. And when that finds this tab, it will gonna run this function tabs, and from tabs like a list of tabs which are like currently open, and from that the active tab will be tab 0. So number 0 will be the tab that is currently opened on your browser. So I'm just printing it console.log active tab. So let's test it. Open my browser. Okay, and I'm gonna reload the service worker and open it. Okay, I'm background script and object is the current tab details. So this is url uc chrome extension. So what is happening, the tab is currently open which is manage extension tab, and it is printing it, and it's gonna only run once when I open the browser or reload the extension. So what I am gonna do is copy this code and put it here. You remember this one function, right? On activated add listener, when a new tab is activated, not created, activated, it will print the tab details here. So I'll remove this, paste this one. Okay, so every time I activate a new tab, so let me first create a few tabs, maybe YouTube, this will be GitHub. Okay, so every time I activate a new tab, it will print the details of that active tab. Okay, so let's activate this one, then activate this one. I'll have just 3. Okay, so first one is C youtube.com, and second one will be URL will be github.com. So that's how it works. When I activate that new tab, it will run that code to find that active tab. So I found the active tab. Alright, I found the active tab. Now I have to send the message. So for sending the message to the active tab, you have to use this one, chrome.tabs.send message, and the you have to pass that id of that active tab.id. You can see from here active tab and id, this one, see. So this you have to pass on that function, and the message will be, let's see, the message will be I am from background script triple exclamation, and you can even receive a response here. So I'll just add a function. That function will receive the response, and I'll console dot log that response here. Okay, so what did I do? Oh, I forgot an bracket. So bracket done, not wrong. Okay, done. So the function will receive the response. So how I'm gonna listen to that message? The message is sent, right? And when the message is received, I'll receive that response. That's clear here, but how am I gonna receive that message? So it's the same process as before. If you watched my previous video, first of all I'll just comment this. Okay, so I'll keep this all the things here so you can refer to this when I upload everything in GitHub on my Chrome extension 101 repo. So the same process will be there for receiving that message. So I'll copy this code, same chrome.runtime.onMessage add listener. It's gonna be same for content script also. So I'll just paste it here. Let's write a line, let listen to messages. See my black box recommending lines. So chrome.runtime.on message will be printed here, console.log message. Sender details I'm not gonna print. Send response, I'm gonna response like response from content script, response from content. So cold here. Okay, response from content script. So let's open that service worker. Okay, there's lots of errors, so reload this service worker and open again. Background script, and you see the GitHub is opened here, so I'll just activate the GitHub. It's nothing, so I'll reload this one and again activate it. You see message, I'm from background script, so this one with triple exclamation, it's coming from background script. And if I open that service worker here, you'll see response from content script.js. So that's how you can communicate between content script and background script. So that's not how you're gonna use it. Maybe you can find some like reason to use it, but I'm gonna suggest you do that popup.js and use some kind of button and send that message from popup.js to content script. That will be more efficient. And you can like send message from background script if you want to listen to, like, if there's a bookmark is created, or if you create a new tab and you want to check the URL of the tab, and according to that you want to send that some content script, you want to send some message to content script to change something on that tab. And that's it. So in next videos I'll show you how to do that. And you can even do this like when you receive any message, you can check the what's the message saying. You can check the message like in a if condition, what's the message saying. If the message saying something, you can do according some task like that, because this is the course for like basic, and I'm just giving you idea of what you can do with everything there is. You can put some condition here, check the message, and if the message is something, you can do some task here. So that's it for this video, and in the next video I'll show you how you can you remember this one button we created, right, in pop-up, this pop-up. So we'll put that button into use, this click me. So we'll put that button into use. So let's see you in the next video. Bye.